everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, for those of you that are in the know. When I tell you I am enjoying this series, I am here to do another makeup tutorial with my quad palette in collaboration with JUVIA'S Place for the Christmas holiday season limited collection. And today we're using DJ. I promised you guys that I'll do a tutorial on each color. Very simple, takes no time at all for the beginners, because I'm all about the beginners, so that you're not intimidated by these colors and you think, oh, I couldn't do these looks, it's too much for me. They are so simple, they are so easy. So guys, today is all about DJ, and it is a beautiful teal green, and you can use it alone, just as I'm going to show you here, alone, and lots of lashes. So without any further ado, sit back my darlings and enjoy.
California sun was making my eyes dry. Next
Do we love, darlings? Do we love? Did I not tell you? It is that simple. You don't have to have all of the colors. You can really just use one color and just really blow it out. And there you have it, with lashes, a crazy wing, lip gloss because the eyes are big and dramatic, with some pink hue, and that is it. This is why this palette is so gorgeous, so on the go. You can bring it all the way down, you can bring it all the way up. It's party season. I just wanted to show you what you can do with this. Okay, my darlings, don't forget to leave all of your questions, queries, and your comments down below. I will answer as many as I can. Happy holidays. Thank you for so much love and support. I'm so excited about this. And like I said, the lip gloss, well, voila, enchanté. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my sweets.